Well, hello and welcome along to everyone who's joining us for our live broadcast today. We are full steam ahead for this from the gantry, but we have to report to you first up that the match itself, whilst not jeopardised by the weather, certainly may have its dynamic affected by this torrential steroid rain which is upon us and which has appeared almost from nowhere in the hour or so up to kick-off. It could prove a considerable test for the officials and certainly for the players. We do have our fingers crossed that it won't affect the game itself, but I'll tell you what, this could be a bit different. The matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. Got the juices flowing, and now this. Well, we're on the way. Can he spark a counter here? Oh, that's a key interception. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Brilliantly cut out. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
And he's searching through, and the ball's a good... There's the shot!
Well, that is rather wayward. Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. Oh, great chance! It's a loose ball. Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Great hit! It's run loose, who's going to get there? Gets good distance on it, and it's been taken straight back. Threads one in. Oh, just skips past his man. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Now the finish! Decent strike, kept it fizzing low.
The keeper felt he had that covered. Some of the crowd were less convinced. It was really well drilled.
If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. It's an inviting looking ball, that. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Oh, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Is that a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is. Gets his pass away. Oh, he's burst through. Great chance! Oh, that was venomous. Moved on forwards. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Good spot, he's seen the run. Oh, he's played it, shot a goal! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
And the keeper beats it away. And now they can spring out of defence. And he's managed to get free. Can he finish? He can get that clear. And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders. Have their second corner now. And now a sudden chance to counter. No, that's been intercepted. Could move up a gear here. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. Five minutes till the break. Hangs one in.
Well, from experience, I can tell you he'll get a lot of stick for getting that one wrong.
Gently done. And they can counter here. Interesting ball. And the shot! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
This possibly the last play of the half. Away from immediate danger. Played out to the left flank. And the half-time whistle goes. Well, it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. And we are up to the break.
What an end to the half, Peter. A lot of the best action of the half coming at at the very end, and I get the feeling the second half may well start in similar fashion, as we'd love to see this momentum maintained. So I'm looking forward to what's to come.
Interesting half, just big chance! It's there! The second half off to a spectacular start!
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
A 1-0 lead established.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth the treat.
Shifted upfield. Oh, that's well spotted. Over to the left. Fiddles it through. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
Incentive set and incentive met. Now they've got to take it on another level.
Tries the cross. That has been knocked clear. And the counter is on. And it's lofted through here. He has found the way through. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, it's a natural instinct to defend when ahead, but it's too early for them to settle into that practice just now.
Well, he's felt that, hasn't he? So the team's separated just by the one goal, which came early in the second period. 1-0 the score. Early ball out from the back. Nicely intercepted. It's a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances. Well, that is one way to stop him. And that's clear cut. It's a free kick. And that has left him in a heap. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Looking for the runner. He's shifting through the gears here. Nice interception, well timed. The referee's awarded a free kick. Looking for options for movement. Look at the space. He's had a shot!
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
And again, they run up against stubborn defending. There's a sharp little ball here.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you. Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Well, they could break here.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
He's played him through. He is through here. Hits one! It's anyone's ball now. Has a goal! He's got away with one there. Corner number 4 coming up here. Played up towards the front line. And that will be the final act.